What if I told you billions of dollars are being secretly cleaned, disguised, and reinserted into the economy, right under our noses? And what if I said some of the world's richest and most powerful people are doing it right now? According to statistics, $2 trillion are laundered every year, which is 5% of international GDP. Stick with me because what you're about to learn will change how you see money, crime, and even casinos. Let's enter the hidden world of money laundering, a global strategy used by criminals to spend stolen money without getting caught. But how do they do it? Imagine you're a criminal with millions in dirty cash. Can't just walk into a bank and deposit it. It would raise too many questions, so you launder it. Clean the money to make it look like it came from a legal source. Between 2002 and 2011, over $1 trillion was smuggled out of China alone. But laundering isn't a local problem. It's everywhere. Politicians, gangsters, corporate elites. Almost everyone in the criminal underworld is doing it. Have you ever wondered how they actually pull it off? To make dirty money clean, you need 3 steps. Each one must be precise, or the whole thing falls apart. Step 1. Placement. This is where the dirty money enters the financial system. It might be disguised as business income, or broken into smaller deposits to avoid suspicion. But here's the danger. This is the riskiest stage. What if law enforcement catches on now? Your operation is over. Let me ask, how would you sneak millions into a system designed to detect you? Step 2. Layering. Now the money is on the move. Launderers hide the trail by buying stocks, gambling in casinos, converting to cryptocurrencies, even investing in life insurance. The goal? Confuse the trail so much that no one, not even the best accountants, can tell where it began. Step 3. Integration. Finally, the clean-looking money re-enters the economy. Now it can buy yachts, mansions, or even fund a new company. It looks legal, feels legal, but it's anything but. Ever seen someone go from broke to billionaire overnight? It may not be magic. It may be money laundering. Real schemes criminals use. Let's break down for common laundering tactics used around the world. Every single day. 1. The casino scheme. Dirty money becomes chips. The chips get lightly played, then cashed out. Now you've got winnings that appear legit. In many cases, these casinos operate in other countries, making it nearly impossible for police to connect the dots. Would you suspect someone at a poker table is laundering millions? 2. The cash business scheme. Criminals use cash-heavy businesses like bars, laundromats, or nightclubs to blend in illicit income. Even Al Capone did it. In fact, the term money laundering came from investigators tracking his laundromats. 3. Smurfing scheme. Break big money into small amounts. Use dozens of people's Smurfs to deposit it little by little. It's like trying to hide an ocean, drop by drop. Would you question a $500 deposit? Now imagine hundreds doing it at once. 4. The foreign investment scheme. A launderer gives dirty money to a foreign partner, who returns it as a legitimate business investment. Since governments encourage foreign funding, very few ask where the money really came from. Now that you know how laundering works, how it hides in casinos, businesses, bank accounts, and beyond, ask yourself, would you recognize it if it was happening around you? More importantly, do you think the system is strong enough to stop it? If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of crime, finance, and everything in between. Turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.